Hi and welcome to the next video. Now in this video we're just going to go through the process of finalizing and setting the rest of our basic information for our WooCommerce e-learning website. So as you can see, we are where we last left off, so store details are all done. Now what we're going to do is select add my product. Here you have a number of different options. Start with a template, add manually, import or migrate. Now because we are just starting off, what we're going to select is start with a template, and as you can see it is recommended, and the template is for physical, digital or variable products. So when you select there, from here we have the three options, and we have the physical, digital and the variable, and what we're going to select is the digital products, because as you can see there, we are after our customers to download our e-learning courses, or you may want to access them through your website. So just select go. From this page here, what it's asking us to do is just enter a product name. So in this instance, all I'm going to do is just give it a test. As you can see, there is some dummy text in below. We will be going through all of these settings a bit later on, but for now all I'm going to do is just click publish. And congratulations on adding your first product. So we need to then come back and go to our WooCommerce, back to the home. And there we go, there's our products added. Now we will come back to that one and we will be showing you how to add products in the coming videos, but for now we just need to finish the setup. So now we're going to go to the setup payments. Number of different options we have here. Now it is recommended with Stripe, but the majority of people do use PayPal. You can also have a direct debit, bank debit, as it's shown you there. So if you have a Stripe, then all you do is just click setup and set it up with your Stripe, but I'm just going to go for the most popular and simplest option, is the PayPal. So I'm just going to select setup, and then it's going to ask me to connect to my PayPal account. Connect. And it's just opening PayPal. Add in your PayPal email address. And select your country or region. Next. And then you ask to log into your actual PayPal. So log in. Allow PayPal to connect with your accounts. Agree and connect. And there we go. Thank you for choosing PayPal. So go back to the WooCommerce. What we have here is a direct bank transfer. So in order to set that one up, if you wanted to do direct debits with any businesses, what you would do is just select there, add in your details there, so your account name, number, sort code, etc., and then you just click save. But of course, because I haven't added any details in, it won't allow me to save that. So just going back to the home. Now what we're going to do is set up the tax. Configure. From here, what we need to do is just add in our tax rates, and we will be coming back to this a bit later on as well. But for now, in order for it to allow us to move on, we need to what's called insert a row. So just click insert row, and here you've got your little question marks again for information. So your country code. So you just type in the country code of where you are currently at. So in our situation, it's the UK. Yours may differ. So the United Kingdom. 2-digit state code. Example, leave blank. So I'm just going to leave blank there, and I want to save changes. So all I've added in there is the country code. So jumping back to the home. As you can see now, that's ticked off, and I mentioned before we will be coming back to fill in the tax rate. Last thing we need to do is just personalize your store. So we need to create a homepage, a logo, and a store notice. So firstly, let's create the homepage. It's already that's created there now. So what we need to do is just add a logo. But for now, I'm just going to skip this option, and as you can see, if you wanted to upload your logo, you just click your logo, it will take you to your media and select your logo. So as I said, I'm just going to skip this process for now. And from here, you have the option to set a store notice. So this is optional: display a prominent notice across all the pages of your store. So just a little short notice that you may want to give in there, but I'm just going to skip this process again and select complete task. Okay, so that's it now. So that's all of my finishing points, but please do bear in mind at any time you can go back to any of these by just going over to the home page of your WooCommerce, and you can go in and edit them, which we will be personalizing some other bits a bit later on in some other videos. Okay, so what we have here is just some overviews and stats, just scrolling down there, different things that you can get involved with. Yeah, just read through them. They're not relevant for what we're going to be doing, but I would encourage you to read through them, and at your own leisure. So that'll do it for this video. So when we come back to the next video, we're then going to go into the main settings.